Hello, I am Soilen Deka, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department. In this semester, I was taking 3 courses for my students. 2 courses are in the postgraduate and one in undergraduate program. So, since I have already used Google Classroom for delivering my courses through uh, Google Classroom, so I am not again making another new classroom. I am using the Google Classroom platform which I used for my BTech students. I used Google Classroom platform to deliver the course, so for which let me open my Google Classroom. That I am registered in, or those I am instructing. So here these are the Google Classrooms where I am either the instructor or the learner. So here I am opening this Google Classroom, which is CE226. This is the course number, and for 2020 batch. It includes 56 students. Already I delivered my class notes. So today I am going to give them one practice problem so that they can complete it and submit it. So let us create the assignment. The assignment I have already written down on a Microsoft Word file. So this is assignment. Title I am giving as practice problem on earth pressure. So here the instructions I have already included in the Word file. So here I'm just writing C instructions in the Word file. So I am adding, not creating, I am adding the file which already I have stored. So I am selecting the file from the folder where I stored it. So this is the file practice earth pressure. Open. So I am uploading it. I have uploaded it, but not yet assigned it. The file that I have uploaded is this one. This is the problem, where I have given a figure, the question is given, and hint is given, and in addition to that there is an explanation that there is no mark attached to this assignment. This is for their practice only. So here points, we shall make it unmarked. Due date, so today is 12, so I am giving say 16th of this month. Time, we are not giving any time. So this is done. Because I am not giving them any mark, so I am not also giving any rubric for this one. Topic we can give, it is on earth pressure. So now we can assign it. Here there are the options. I can assign it right now. I can save the draft for assigning later on, or I can schedule the assignment so that it will be published at a particular time. So in case of the exams, end semester exams, I will give the question paper here and schedule it for publishing on the day of the examination and the time of the examination. So for this problem we can assign it right now. So it is assigning. So it has been assigned. Now all the 56 students will get the information in their mailbox that an assignment has been given to them. Here on the stream also, this announcement has been automatically published. That means me, the instructor, has posted a new assignment. The name is given. So this is the file that I assigned in the classwork, and it has also come in the stream. So with this, the assignment task is done. So when the students will submit it, then I will get the information which of them have submitted. So right now all 56 students have been assigned the assignment and nobody has deposited it, nobody has handed in. So once they deposit it, here the number of students that submitted, that number will come here. So after that, their submissions I can view here and evaluate. Of course, here there will be no marks. So this is the way we can use Google Classroom for e-delivery of our courses. So this is the small demo of it. So here I end my demo.